Eric just pointed out that all of these olives are going to be dropping all during the next week, so it's going to be impossible to get that out of this walk-on bark. So we're going to lay tarps all around this tree for a week. What a day. We got so much done. Oh my. So many of the things that were recommended to me got done. But there's a lot more to do. You can't do all of that in one day, even with 4 people. I have a late bloomer fan coming tomorrow to help in the afternoon that I've never met, and that'll be fun. I have to take the peppers off of here because I trimmed that plant way back and put it in a pot. I'm not going to put that in my mouth. That'd be a mistake. But I am going to put this in my mouth. Ah, orange. These are the last of my ground cherries. Look at that. The ground cherries were a huge surprise. That is incredible when it's really orange. The plant was enormous. I had no idea. Came up as a volunteer. I don't know how. I did visit someone near Knoxville 4 years ago. And she gave me seeds, and I planted them out in the parkway, and they got mildew, and they were that big, and I thought, oh, ground cherries, okay, they're just little plants that grow on the ground. And this thing was huge. 6 feet tall and 8 feet wide. I had to be brutal today, people. I had to be so brutal. I didn't want to be brutal, but I had to be. And I told Derek to take it out, and I forgot to say, make sure you take these off. And they were at the bottom of the green bin by the time I remembered. So I only got a few off the ground. It's one of my favorite things now. Anyway, the back 40 came out, and that's all smoothed out and covered in walk-on bark, which is, I think it's just forest bark. And then I took the corn out because, you know, it wasn't going to do anything. I had the one little corn to eat. Oh, it was so good. If I have an opportunity, I will be growing that corn again. So we replanted the raised bed, cleared around the orange tree so you could see the orange tree, which is loaded with green fruit. Beautiful. The lemon tree, gave them fertilizer and iron. Did so much cleaning out. And the loofah is got a 1 week reprieve. So anyway, it feels good to get all that done. I had no choice, and I'm going to try not to be sad about it. Oh, we forgot to put that, we forgot to put down that plastic around the olive tree. Now I'm going to have to do that by myself. Okay, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.